In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Nintendo Switch eShop password. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly change the password attributed to a Nintendo account. Sometimes when you open the eShop or you try to access most features on a Nintendo Switch, if you are previously signed into a Nintendo account, sometimes they will ask you to re-enter your password. If you don't remember the password or you are having trouble signing in, you will have to reset or change that password. The best way to do this is through a web browser. So go over to nintendo.com, and when you arrive at this page, click on login/sign up. Now go over to login and then choose sign in once again. Now this is where you would be able to input your email address and password. Assuming that you don't remember your password, choose this option at the bottom, forgot your password. You can also find this exact option on your Nintendo Switch, so when you go over to re-enter your password, you can also choose forgot your password. Now you will have to input your email address. If you don't remember your email address, then sadly there's not much that can be done. Talk to the customer support and see if they are able to help you remember the password. But regardless, once you are done with this, just go over to your email and you will be able to find the exact email related to the password change. So I'm gonna click it here, for example, and now you will get a link where you are able to reset your password. So you just have to open this link on a web browser and you will be able to get this process done. So just go over to this link, and now you will be able to use either your nickname or your date of birth to reset your password. Once again, if you don't remember these details, then sadly there is not much that can be done. You will need at least some sort of verification method to confirm that you are the owner of the account, and if you don't remember it, then sadly you will not be able to get in. But once you include at least one of those details, you can go ahead and create a new password, and once this is done, just sign into the same Nintendo account on your Switch. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Nintendo Switch eShop password. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.